Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum to all students. Our topic now 6.5 applications of integration. Okay, now we begin with the example 1. The question is, the marginal cost function of a firm is C prime x equal to 30 plus 0.05x. Okay, question 1. Determine the cost function Cx if the firm's fixed costs are Rm 2000 per month. So now the question asks you to find the value of, okay, this Cx. Okay, from this we get the info from the C prime x. Okay, we use this to find Cx. Okay, to solve this, Cx is equal to the integration of C prime x dx. So now we integrate the value, okay, 30 plus 0.05x dx. Okay, integrate 30, we get 30x plus, okay, integrate 0.05x, we get 0.05x squared over 2 plus c. Okay, so now the next info we have here, the firm's fixed costs are Rm 2000 per month. Okay, so we know that from this, okay, this is C0 equal to 2000. Why? Because of when we said about fixed costs, okay, even the company doesn't produce, okay, any items, okay, meaning that the items now is 0, okay, the company still have to pay, okay, the fixed cost. Okay, fixed cost, for example, for the fixed cost is rent, the salary of the employees. Alright, okay, to prove this, okay, we know that C, okay, the formula is Sx plus F. Okay, so what is S? S is the variable cost. Okay, when C equal to 0, okay, S variable cost multiply the quantity 0 plus 2000. Okay, this is how we get C0 equal to 2000. So from this info, we substitute into the function that we already integrated just now. So when, okay, 30 multiply by 0 plus 0.05 over 2 plus C equal to 2000. Alright. Okay, so I hope you can see here. Okay, this is, okay, where I substitute as with the value of 0, and then this one, and this one equal to C equal to 2000. So now what is the value for C? Okay, this one we get 0, right? 0 plus this one, this part, we get 0 plus C equal to 2000. Therefore, C equal to 2000. So now we substitute the value of C into the function that we already integrate just now. Okay, therefore, okay, our function Cx equal to 30x plus 0.05x squared over 2 plus our C right now is 2000. Okay, plus 2000. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so I hope you understand for number 1. Okay, then we proceed with example 2 next. Okay, for number 2, how much will it cost to produce 150 units in a month? So this one, when they ask about the question asks you about the cost producing 150 units. This one you just replace, okay, x with the value 150 in the cost function. So when we simplify the cost function that we get in number 1, okay, 0.05 divided by 2, we get 0.025 x squared plus 2000. Alright, and then we substitute 150. We get 30 multiply 150 plus 0.025 plus 1000. Okay, when you press your calculator, later you'll get the value, okay, because of the unit for cost is RM, so 7,062 ringgit and 50 cent. Okay, this is cost incurred when the company produce 150 units in a month. Alright, so I hope you understand for the example 1. Okay, now we proceed example 2. The marginal cost of ABC Products Limited is, okay, this is marginal cost, C prime x equal to 3 plus 0.001x, and the cost of manufacturing 100 units is RM 1,005 ringgit. What is the cost of producing 200 units? Okay, so this one, Okay, we have, okay, later we want to use cost, right? To find cost, you have to integrate C prime. Okay, so when we integrate this one, we substitute the value, the function 3 plus 0.001 x dx. Integrate this, we get 3x plus 0.001 x square divided by 2 plus c. Alright. Okay, this one, when we simplify, we get the value, okay, 0.001 divided by 2, we get 0.05 x square plus c. Okay, the value that we get now is cx. Okay, let's see. Okay, the information for the 100 units. Okay, the cost now is RM 1005, right? Okay, from this info, you can get the value of C later. Okay, just replace the value of x with 100. So 3 multiply 100 plus 0.005 multiply 100 square plus C equal to 1005. Okay, this info is very important because we want to find the value of C later. So press your calculator for the first one, this one. We get 300 plus, okay, this one we get 5 plus C equal to 5. Okay, therefore 305 plus C equal to, therefore C equal to 1005 minus 305. We get the value of RM 7. Okay, sorry. Okay, C is the constant, right? Okay, C is equal to 700. Okay, now back to the question A. Okay, what is the cost of producing 200 units? Okay, so now plus the value C. Okay, now our general formula for cost is 3x plus 0.005 x square plus 700. Okay, this is the general formula, general form for the cost function. Okay, to get the value of C when the company produce 200 units, so you just replace, okay, x with the value of 200. Okay, you press your calculator. Okay, cost for producing 200 units of product is RM 1320. Okay, this is how we find, okay, the cost. Okay, the flow is just like this. We first we find, okay, C from the information given, and then we substitute C into the cost function that already integrate just now. Okay, and then we substitute the value of unit of 200, okay, to get the cost of producing 200 units. Okay, I hope you understand for the example 2.1. Okay, question number 2. The item sells for RM 5 ringgit each. Okay, meaning that this is RM 5. Okay, sells. Determine the increment profit of the sales volume is increased from 1000 to 2000 units. So, okay, this one, this is info about the selling price, okay, and then the question asks you the increment profit. So now, how to solve this problem? You have to know that for the profit is Px equal to R minus C, right? Okay, to find R, okay, we find R first. Okay, Rx is equal to Px. What is P? P is price, okay, selling price. So our selling price now is 5, and multiply with the x is the quantity. Okay, now this is the value for Rx. So now for the Cx, okay, just now already get the okay, the function for cost, this one. Okay, in answer for in A, alright. So 3x plus 0.005 x square plus 700. Okay, to calculate profit, okay, equal to Rx minus C. Okay, our R is 5 minus C. You put in bracket because of more than one variable and more than one term. Okay, 5x minus 3x minus 0.05 x minus 700. Okay, simplify this. We get here 5 minus 3, we get 2x. Okay, this is the profit. So now, determine the increment profit. So meaning that you have to substitute the value. Okay, this one meaning that P. Okay, substitute the value. Units 2000 minus P, profit for 1000. Okay, so we substitute this. Okay, this one minus with this one. Okay, when you press your calculator, the answer for number 2 is okay. Okay, the value for this is 1300 minus 800. Okay, therefore the increment, okay, the increment profit for this is equal to 1300 minus 800 is equal to RM 500. Okay, you see for the unit from 1000 increase to 2000. Okay, this is the profit, which is 500. Okay, this is for example 2. Okay, this is example 3. Okay, a population of insects grows from an initial size of 3000 to a size pt after time t measured in days. If the growth rate at time 5 multiply t plus 2t square, determine pt and p10. Okay, so now the function given, this one, because of the hints, okay, this is rate, so means this is p prime t. Okay, and then next you have to find pt and also p10. Okay, now to find p, you have to integrate, okay, the function. Substitute the function given. You can just expand. We get here okay, 5t plus 2t square, so this one equal to 5t plus 10t square. Okay, 5t plus 10t square dt. Okay, now when we integrate, we get here 5t square over 2 plus 10t cube over 3 plus c. Okay, so how can we find c? Okay, before we find the general form for the pt one, you have to find what is the value for c. This one, okay, don't forget we have here initial size of 3000, meaning that when time, okay, when, okay, here we have keyword initial, meaning that now time t equal to 0, and then p is equal to 3000. So we use the information given in that, p0 is equal to 3000. Okay, meaning that at the time 0, the insects population grows from 3000 size. So for this one, you just replace the value of t, okay, into the function that already integrated just now. Plus c equal to 3000. Okay, we know that the value for this one is equal to 0, right? Because of 5 multiplied by 0, 10 multiplied by 0. And then now c is equal to 3000. Therefore, okay, pt is equal to 5t square over 2 plus 10t cube over 3 plus 3000. Okay, this is answer for pt. Right? Okay, to find p10, substitute the value 10, replacing t. Okay, this one when you press your calculator, you will get the value. Okay, 6,583.33 insects. Okay, so okay, this is this is the population of insects. Alright, so meaning that at time equal to 10 days, okay, the insects will grow up to 6,583.33. Alright, so I hope you understand this. Okay, this is example 4. Okay, the question is the management of an oil company estimates that oil will be pumped in thousands of barrels from a producing field at the rate given by rate given by Q prime T equal to 2 ln 4 divided by T plus 1. Okay, between time T between 0 to 1000. Alright, so let QT be the number of barrels produced in thousands within T years. Question 1. How many barrels of oil will be the field produced during the 9th year to the 19th year? So the question asks you how many the barrels, right? So this one refer to number of barrels, QT. You have to find the QT. Okay, from 9th year to the 19th. So now class, how can we determine the integral for the limit? Okay, limit for the integral. So we know that we have to find 9 until 19. So you can just, okay, this is manual calculation. Okay, so we know that the gap from 9 to 19 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So meaning that the gap is 11 years. Okay, to determine the limit, you have to understand that. Okay, this one we know that the concept FB minus FA, right? So this one you have to write 19, and for the lower limit you have to write 8 because of when we calculate, okay, the gap between these two, okay, is equal to 19 minus 8 is equal to 11. Okay, meaning that the gap between the upper and lower limit must be 11. Right? So now we have to integrate Q prime T dt. Okay, so 19, okay, 2 ln 4 divided by T plus 1 dt. Okay, to solve this, we can see that we have T plus 1 for the denominator. So you have to use, okay, let U equal to T plus 1. Okay, we differentiate. Okay, we apply a substitution method. So this one we get 1. Therefore, du equal to dx. Okay, so for this one, okay, we put in the new integral form, divide by u, 2 ln 4 divided by u du, right? So we know that okay, this is 2 ln 4 is the constant. Okay, 1 over u. Okay, integrate 1 over u, we get 2 ln 4 ln u for the limit 19, 8. Okay, however, okay, we can see that 8 and 19 is in terms of dt. So we have to change, substitute, okay, replace the value of u, ln u, u is equal to t plus 1. 19 to, okay, 8 to 19. So now we substitute the value, 2 ln 4, okay, this one, okay, ln 19 plus 1 minus ln 8 plus 1. Okay, the answer is 2 ln 4 ln 20 minus ln 9. Okay, you can press your calculator, you get the value. Okay, the value for ln 20 minus ln 9, we get 0.799. Okay, multiply with 2 ln 4, we get here 2.213. Okay, this 1000 barrels. Alright. Okay, so this is the step for number 1. Hope you understand. Okay, question 2. How many barrels will be produced during the 9th year? Okay, so to find the number of barrels, you have to integrate. Okay, meaning that you have to write the integral form, and then now we focus on to find the limit for this. Okay, when we say about 9th year, so we know that for this one, okay, t is equal to 0. Okay, so for the t 0 to 1, this is considered as first year. 1 to 2, this is considered as second year. This is third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, seventh year, and eighth. Okay, for the 9th year, so this is from, okay, you have to know that this is in between. Okay, 8 and 9. So for the integral, what you have to write is, okay, this is from 8 to 9, and for the q prime t dt. Okay, this is how we find the limit. Okay, some student confused. Okay, how can we find the limit? So this is the method. Alright, so I hope you understand. Then for the qt, we have here 2 ln 4 divided by t plus 1 dt. Okay, the function that we can use, okay, in answer 1, where after we integrate we get the value, this one. Okay, this one for the in terms of t. So 2 ln 4, okay, in bracket ln t plus 1 for the limit 8 to 9. Okay, now we just substitute 2 ln 4. Okay, ln 9 plus 1, we get here ln 10 minus ln 8 plus 1, we get 9. Okay, you can press your calculator, we get the value 0.292,000 barrels. Okay, this is step for number 2. So okay, we focus on the 9th year. Okay, question number 3. How many barrels will be produced from t equal to 3 to t equal to 10? Okay, this one, okay, this is easy because of for the limit. Okay, this one already determined the value for t equal to 3 until t equal to 10. And then the function inside the integral, so we know that this is ln 2 ln 4 divided by t plus 1 dt. Okay, we can use answer in number 1. So when we differentiate t plus 1, we get here t ln t plus 1 for the limit 3 to 10. Okay, this is direct. Okay, you can just calculate it straight away, where you can press your calculator for the value. Okay, ln 10 plus 1, we get ln 11 minus ln 3 plus 1, we get ln 4. So ln 11 minus ln 4 multiply 2 ln 4, we get here answer 2.80. Okay, 1000 barrels. Okay, so this is answer for number 3. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, again, for the t equal to 3 to t equal to 10, okay, the limit is you can just take directly from the question, put into the integral sign.